Yeah, so maybe say we you do what kind of service do you have for them?
We have like Vaxi
Yeah.
and Axia.
Yes.
So basically, that's what we're dealing with right now.
Yeah, so where and where you have a service to the parishes.
Mostly in the Central region and the Falmouth and Montego Bay region.
Okay.
And the region.
Okay. So how persons get in touch with you if they want a nice clean car to journey safe around?
See, this one.
This is it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so reach out guys and we are looking forward to the details and let's take a look walk to the car. I'll just showcase. We're gonna show you the car that we are talking about like right now. This one is black sea rims. We just take a little circle around. Just take a little circle around. Nice. Very clean. So this is one of the vehicles that this guy has to offer. Look on the inside. Whoa, everything black and nice. On the open drive nice like how it look.
Yeah, man.
See?
No, vehicle, yeah, man.
See? Looking forward to owning one of these, so
Yeah.
you know. But I think I want
Remember the number got 876.
Yeah.
397
Yes.
0789.
Yeah, and when they call, who they going to talk with?
Roger.
Roderick.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Roderick. Looking forward to the service. So you know, say at the same time, at the same thing, you know, at the examiner, at the car, you know. So this is how you can remember you have a scratch there. Very clean. So we have, and it's so far we have one scratch, guys. One scratch. Everything else super nice. See? Just one scratch, guys. We have a little scratch there. You see this one too, right? Yeah.
You just look funny.
This service there, guys, we have Bahia. And now we have Bahia. Very nice resort. Yeah, Bahia. Yeah, Bahia is big and nice. This guy is in a hurry. Bahia for you guys. parking lot, guys. Work is under construction here. Just take a look at the time. Montego Bay Airport, guys. We're in the area where we do the pickup. My guest is looking for me. I don't see her yet, but I am taking my time. Taking my time. See if I see her. All of this area is under construction, guys. So soon become fine. Yes, sir. Take my time and stroll up. See the time? See the time, guys. And I should be here 1 o'clock. Searching for my guest 1, 2, 3. I know she's close by, but just in a minute I'll pick her. Not too sure if she wants to be introduced to my camera. I'm just hoping that she's not upset with me because I'm late to pick her. Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday. Very neighboring, guys. And we are. I just run into these guys. They are the dancing mics. Where you say you're dancing here again?
Team Slay.
Are you sure that?
No.
Yeah. Special case. We showcase them guys. And when we are talking about talent, we are talking about youngsters. And anything we can do to help the youngsters grow. Tell me how we not deal with the street, G. Yeah. So how far want to reach in that competition? I don't know much about it, you know. It's a thing when I watch all the time, but I know something I follow. I more used to always follow dancing, Rising Star. But I always watch it. Jenny still responsible for everything. When I bust to dance and calling the female because she walk out. Bust come in a female. Start it, man, and make them run in, man. Start it and make them run in. What the dancer name? What the dancer name? Okay. Bless up, my G. Oh, I him Billy dance. So join them, my princess. Oh, you mean? Come in, a princess. Be a foot see and we have because you want to make that. I want to give what not. I know. It's a vibes we are build. It's a vibe. Bill a vibes. Yeah. Bill a vibes. No mind tell me say if you don't hit the case already, you don't have look more strength. Yes. I saw not take on the street. Hey. God. Watch him. I can't see him. Watch him. Come back. Come. Bro, you know, say share watch your place open. So, when I know come in, come tell me what name and go to give out the number. Come out and
baddest dancer them a road now.
Yes.
Slingers, check them out, you see it.
Give them number, bro. You check them.
Power team slingers are shellers. Tell them on the number.
Tell them the number, the voting number.
444-876-444-4820.
Come on, brother. We get the number. You want
We are team shellers. We are number 6. Take number 6 to 444-280.
and what attitude and all she did it.
Hear that two bodies set a dance at them a road. Two bodies through. DJJ to the game they are represent. 10 bed bitch line up at my gate. Say them up to carry the general pan a date. Yeah. Say them out start the chase. Yeah. This are the real G. Make sure you vote for the two team. I'm out.
I never bless family. You leave me up, bro. Ever bless family.
What's your name?
Ever bless family TV.
Yeah, man, I'm big up Ever Bless Family TV. You see? I them are on the place now. I them a shell on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.
Oh, you mean
you know?
And guess what? These females couldn't keep up with it because they're waiting on the KFC to open, and KFC will give them all of the strength that they need. Ever Bless people. We showcase it. And this is my right today, guys. This is my right today. We're gonna do it. Just looking forward to a great collab coming up shortly, and we're gonna showcase to you guys as to what the next link up is gonna be. A crazy link up coming up shortly with Ever Bless Family and another YouTuber, and I am so excited and looking forward to that. While you go and check out the bad dance of them, give them your vote, give them your support, and my female would like to say good morning. Ever Bless people. Yeah, I go see what go on. You know. When you take a look, you go see what go on. Let me call you back. I'm gonna record something. Okay, it's okay. You're dancing then? No? What you team man? I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. So showcasing this dancing dynamite for you guys. They might show off them skills right here. And we are at the KFC. These guys, come on, come on, so wait your turn. These girls are hungry. They are looking. They're dancing for food. Yeah, dancer. You see anything wrong with them? I said they're dancing for food. They might dance. You can't see whooping. You don't see that. Look here, my friend. Come here. Look here, my friend. Me say a while ago on the camera that these girls are hungry, they are dancing for food and she offend to it. You do you offend? Do you offend? Take an offense to that?
No man, you're alright. Me know say me not hungry.
No, dance your food, there's some open there.
We not get with soca clothes.
You want clothes? Soca clothes?
I need to.
So guys, at the KFC in Maple, we have a lot of dancing nights and they're waiting on the KFC to be open so that they can go dance them way to success. And look at her. She said she's not hungry. If she's hungry, she would not dance. Yeah. So we have another team. They are rehearsing. These guys, they just keep rehearsing. Let me pick them. They are rehearsing. They are rehearsing, guys. So this is not the real dance of them. They are rehearsing. KFC is open, man. Let me show the KFC. They are at the KFC store in Maple, Clarendon. Maple, Clarendon KFC. You have to start opening a little earlier, so that these guys can get their food. And this is Ever Blessed today. And this is my ride for the day. I showcase this vehicle in further videos so that you guys can do your research on them, right? Ever Blessed people.